Hello everyone. Today's video we are going to look for IBAB Institute of Bioinformatics and Applied Biotechnology. They announced for PhD notification for the year 2026. Okay, so from here we are going to look for all the detail entrance examination, when will be the last date, okay, about scholarship detail, everything we are going to look in this video. So those were ready to apply for PhD in science stream, it's a helpful video to you. So without making delay, let's see. So from here, this respective institute, which is located in Karnataka state, okay, Karnataka state, it's available. So the Department of Electronics, IT, Biotechnology, okay, these kind of qualified candidate, you can apply for this. So this respective institute established in the year 2001. Okay, almost 23 years of experience will be available for this institute. So from here it's available Department of Electronics, Biotechnology, IT, SNT. Okay, so it's a government of Karnataka entering our silver jubilee era. It is an autonomous institution. Okay, keep in mind. And from here we can do for research related to that is biotechnology, bioinformatics, big data, and AI related these things. Okay, it is a distinguished faculty with extensive international experience leading frontier research and highly interdisciplinary life sciences. Okay, so it is a well-known institute, especially for biotechnology streams. Okay, and from here it's available for dry lab environment as well as for wet lab environment. So most of the people know very well for wet lab in a sense, for real-time experimental data we can analyze. That respective lab will be helpful for us for DNA and all they can analyze. Okay, this kind of real-time data we can analyze with the help of wet lab environment. And dry lab in a sense we can use for the Python, okay, machine learning, these kind of things, the computational data we can analyze. So that will be helpful for dry lab environment. Okay, so those facilities was available over there. And what are the department they are recruiting in a sense, especially we can segregate for three major types, that is genomics and cellular biology, AI/ML system biology, and molecular modeling and quantum dynamics. So each and everything you can look for the specialization. Okay, these are all the specialization. If you're doing for PhD in a sense, you can apply on it. And from here AI machine learning related, okay, the algorithmic information theory related, the modeling of biological states, you can do it over here. The quantum biology also you can do it. That is a upcoming trend for this one, especially for biology. And for what is a eligibility criteria, that is what we are looking, as well as for financial assistantship. Okay, so from here we are looking for this one. We strongly encourage the scholar to apply with their own independent funding to maximize research flexibility. So you can apply for CSIR UGC or Department of science stream for Inspire, okay, as well as for biotechnology JRF and ICMR JRF. Independently, you can apply these things. So some of the things based on your schooling, based on your degree marks, they will give for the scholarship also. So based on that you can apply. Suppose if you're applying for these four fellowships, suppose if you did not get, in a sense you will get it for institute assistantship. Okay, that is a comparative package, you will get it. So if you're doing for regular, in a sense, either you can get it for these kind of independent fellowship or else for the institute fellowship. Okay, and these things you need to apply on it. Suppose if you're a JRF holder, automatically you will get it, right? And DBT, JRF, and DST and all, based upon your score for 10th mark sheet and other degree mark sheet and all, they will compare and you will get it on it. There is no special entrance examination for DST Inspire. And other thing, UGC, you know very well, CSIR UGC, you need to write it. And from here DBT, GRF, that is Department of Biotechnology, especially they will conduct for examination and they will give for this respective specialization. Suppose if you're having in a sense, that is well and good, otherwise you will get it for institute assistantship. Okay, so the competitive package you will get. Right now we can look what will be the qualification. Okay, what is a thing required for selecting those PhD in a sense. You should possess for 2 years of master degree, okay, or else 4 years of bachelor degree for BTech or BE. If you complete a for master degree in a sense, these are all the streams required. Apart from that, they will not select. So life science, biotechnology, bioengineering, bioinformatics, computational biology, computer science, pharmacy, medicine, physics or chemistry. So these are all the master degree holders you can apply, and minimum you should possess for 60% of marks. Suppose if you have completed for BTech degree in a sense, any branch of science or technology, and minimum 75% of marks is required. This is what the minimum eligibility criteria you need to apply for this respective PhD. And after that, they are conducting for entrance examination through online through Proctor. Okay, through online itself, in your home itself, you can sit and you can write it through the Proctor. They will monitor. Okay, so that's nowadays every universities, most of the universities, they are conducting for entrance examination through Proctor only. So what they are telling in a sense, the Proctor online examination conducted nationally to assess fundamental analytical and scientific aptitude scheduled for May 24. So entrance examination on May 24. Within 1 week, they will announce for the result. Okay. So the transparent assessment methodology with official entrance examination result announced within 1 week of the test. Once completed the test, within a week, they will announce for the result. And for the final selection, shortlisted candidate can invite a rigorous in-person interview at the campus only, IBAB campus, with a faculty panel. Okay, it will be scheduled the first week of June. So that is what they are telling. Your writing examination on May 24. Within a week, you will get it for the result, and first week of June, you will be inviting for interview. Okay, so that's the thing they have given. And right now, the important thing for important dates. Okay, so March 1 the application already started, so the final date, the last date will be April 30th. Okay, keep in mind April 30th will be in deadline. And mock test on official mock test, which is available in the system, May 17th onwards, so you can practice how the questions will be asked. Okay, what are the patterns, that and all you can look on it. And May 24 you will be attending for online entrance examination, and first week of June you will be called for the interview. And July 14th, the official commencement of PhD program. The PhD program will start on July 14th. Okay, suppose if there is any query in a sense, what you need to do, you need to look over here, you need to send an email, admissions at ibab.ac.in, and which is located for the website. You can look right now, we can look for the website. This is what the website. Once you are coming down, okay, ibab.ac.in. Once you are coming down, it's available. Admission to PhD program semester 1 is open. Just you can click over here. Once you're clicking this one, and all the information will be available. And if you're writing for examination, right, so you can click for the syllabus. All the syllabus will be available, so depends upon your stream, you can select and you can look all those things. Okay, and from here the project related one is also available, whatever project they are doing as of now. Okay, based on that project also you will get for assistantship. Okay, so that's the information has given over here. So through the examination, through the proctor examination will be there, and application procedure will be available here. Okay, so if there is any query, you can contact for if you want to apply in a sense, you can click over here. Please click here to apply. Okay, so from here you can enter all the information, and after that you can apply on it. Okay, so this is what the information which is available here. So I think this respective information will be helpful to you. If it is helpful in a sense, you can like, as well as you can subscribe and share to your friends, those who are looking for such kind of PhD related notification and everything. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you for watching this. Bye.